How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Empty Motoring YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today, the transport's finally picking up the truck. This is the second or third transport that was sent out. The first truck broke down. Second truck, I don't know what happened. The driver apparently just disappeared. So now this is the third time. So I just gotta do a couple things, grab some, leftover paperwork and receipts that I have in the truck, and take off the license plates, and it'll be on its way to its new home.
A lot of boring math later.
All right, got all my personal belongings out of the truck. Plates are off. It's time to pull it out of the neighborhood and give it to the transporter. I'll take one last look at this before it's gone. If you aren't familiar with Chevy trucks of the 90s, they have a very, very premium audio system. This truck's only got 176,000 original miles. Okay, transporter is only doing a 3-car haul. Okay. Just checked in the truck. He's getting the transport ready. Wraps. Just getting the ramp set up for transport. The keys. You know, square key, round key, right? Old Chevy. There it goes. And just like that, the truck is gone. Not sure how I feel about it right now. It's a mix of emotions. I've had the truck for close to 2 years. It's been really good to me. It served a lot of work, purpose, and duty of hauling stuff and all that. So I'm really, kind of don't know how I feel about it. Happy and a little bit of sad. I'm definitely gonna miss the truck, but the truck's actually going to a very good home, so not too worried about that. I'll end up seeing the truck again. It's going to my friend Alex and Arlene that I mentioned in a previous episode. It is currently on its way there. As soon as he gets there, it obviously has to do the registration, the smog, and all that good stuff, which I'm confident it'll pass. The truck ran solid for me, you know, but again, it's an old Chevy, so it does drink oil like a lot, but it runs just fine. You just got to keep topping off the oil. So what's going on next is I'm just waiting for my van to be finished up with Rami, and once he's done with it, I'll be bringing it back up and getting the registration done, so I have a new, you know, utility type vehicle. The truck, if you didn't know, that generation Chevy trucks, they're going up in value. So that wasn't a 1500 model, which you can find up on OfferUp and Craigslist and all that all day for pretty cheap. This is a K2500, which is, and it's a 4x4 with the LT, you know, V8 engine. So that particular configuration isn't the easiest to come by, and as time passes, they're getting harder and harder to find, and they're going up in value. And I kid you not, with the truck parked in front of my house, anybody who visits in the neighborhood, you know, to one of my neighbors, or you know, the landscaping people, all that, they always check out the truck. And I've had like 2 offers previously, and I didn't want to sell it at the time. I was like, nope, don't want to sell it. But it's finally come to a point where I have the van, I have the truck, one of them's got to go. Unfortunately, it has to be the truck. The van has more purpose for everything that M2 Motoring and myself and Steve and everybody's doing. So the van's got more utility to it. The truck is cool to go around town, and Alex will be using it to actually tow his S2 to events and shows once, you know, the truck's all sorted out and running exactly how he wants it. But yeah, moving forward, I look forward to sharing all the projects with you that I have been working on. And this year for SEMA, since people kind of know me for doing, you know, SEMA vehicles, I'm working on how many vehicles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 vehicles, I think, is the plan that's currently on the roster of cars to work on. So you know, look forward to sharing all that with you. You know, if you follow our socials, you'll see progress and announcements and all that. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like the video, hit the subscribe button if you like the content, and leave some comments down below on, you know, feedback on the content that you're seeing. If there's anything I can improve on or things you want to know about when I work on a car. I know previously I got some comments on the DIY videos that I kind of skip steps verbally, and for me it's one of those things where I'm having a kind of hard time explaining what I do because I just do it like it's, you know, second nature. So I have to kind of slow down and think about the whys, which I promise I'll be working on a lot more. So hopefully you guys can enjoy that. And then also, have the merch giveaway. I almost forget to plug that. So for the merch giveaway, it's once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some merch. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow the Instagram and Facebook social media profiles in the description below. That's all you have to do. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away some, you know, shirts and merchandise, and I'll do a drawing for that. And then we'll do all that. So until then, you guys take care. See you on the next episode. And to give the proper send off for the truck, I'm going to do a video montage of pan shots and stuff with it. I have a very long history with this truck. I know I said I've only owned it for close to 2 years, but Clint's owned this truck for as long as I've known him, since 2003, 2004. And I used to borrow the truck a lot when I was up in town for SEMA. Well, my vehicle's at the show. This would be my get around vehicle. And I've gotten into some stupid trouble with it. So, you know, that's where the emotional attachment comes into. So good times. Alex and Arlene, enjoy the truck.